Hey everyone, Dr. Dan here. Welcome to Hello World with Dr. Dan. In this quick video, we're going to take a look at Module 2, Lesson 7, which is an array list example. If we go ahead and take a look at the code, I'll go ahead and run this example. This is our introduction to ArrayList. Kind of just uses some toy examples to show you the basic functionality of ArrayList. So for instance, it basically says, please enter a favorite place. So we'll type a few of our favorite places in, such as Venice, Paris, Dublin, Rome, and then we can type done when we're done. And you'll see that it'll basically print those places back, so it saved them in an array list, which is essentially an expandable array. We'll talk all about that in the video tutorials. Then it sorts those lists alphabetically, reverse alphabetically, and you can see it also sorts it from shortest to longest. Finally, it asks you to enter an index to remove. So let's say I wanted to remove Venice, then I might give it index 2, and you'll see that removed Venice. And then we can also remove by value. So let's say I wanted to remove Paris, then it'll remove Paris, and I'll be left with Rome and Dublin. And then finally, it'll generate a 2x2 matrix of arrays. So you can basically see how you can have 2D array lists or 3D array lists if you wanted to take a little bit further. That's a randomly generated array list at the end. So if I typed in place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and then I did something like that, you can see that each time I run this through, it's going to be a little bit of a different size. So what are we going to cover in this lesson specifically? How to declare and initialize array lists, some of the methods of array lists, most popular ones like the length, getting a specific element, adding elements to it, determining whether a specific value is contained within the array list, determining if the array list is empty, as well as removing items by both value and index, as you saw in the demo. Also look at iterating through array lists, as you saw in the output, sorting array lists using kind of default sort methods, as well as we'll also create a custom comparator to be able to sort the array list by the length of the items in there. And then finally, with the 2D array list, we'll actually look into how do you nest array lists to basically mimic 2D arrays. So I encourage you to take a look at hellodrdan.com for the full-length video tutorial where we will create this code from scratch and really go through the kind of the nitty-gritty details of ArrayList. Thanks, and hope to see you there.